5 Miracle Fruits for Longevity. What if the secret to living a longer, healthier life was as simple as eating the right fruit every day? A balanced diet is key to longevity, but certain fruits contain powerful compounds that can slow aging, protect your heart, and keep your brain sharp well into your 90s and beyond. The best part? These fruits are delicious, affordable, and easy to find at your local grocery store. In this video, we're revealing 5 miracle fruits that seniors should eat daily to maximize their health and increase their chances of living to 100. If you haven't subscribed Senior Wisdom, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us create content to inform and inspire you. Each fruit is packed with nutrients that support brain health, heart function, digestion, and immunity, helping you stay strong, energetic, and independent for years to come. Stay with us until the end, because the final fruit has been scientifically linked to reduced inflammation, better digestion, and a longer lifespan. Let's dive in. Fruit number 1, blueberries boost brain health and memory. Let's start with blueberries, often called brain berries for a reason. These small, deep blue fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect the brain from cognitive decline and keep memory sharp as you age. For seniors, maintaining brain function is just as critical as physical health, and diet plays a huge role. Anthocyanins reduce inflammation in the brain, improve communication between brain cells, and may even delay memory-related diseases like dementia or Alzheimer's. As we age, the brain experiences wear and tear, increasing the risk of cognitive decline. Studies show that older adults who eat blueberries regularly perform better on memory tests and have a lower risk of age-related cognitive issues. This isn't just about preventing disease, it's about maintaining mental clarity and independence to enjoy life fully. Take Robert, a 78-year-old who noticed his memory slipping, forgetting keys, names, or appointments. On his daughter's advice, he added a handful of blueberries to his breakfast daily. Within months, his focus improved, his recall sharpened, and his mood stabilized. While no single food is a cure, consistent intake of brain-boosting nutrients like those in blueberries can make a real difference. Blueberries also improve blood flow to the brain, reduce oxidative stress, and protect nerve cells. They're great for heart health, blood sugar regulation, and digestion too. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Consistency is key. Make blueberries a daily habit to support your brain and overall health. Fruit number 2, avocados support heart health and circulation. Next up is avocados, a creamy, nutrient-packed fruit that's a powerhouse for heart health. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, avocados help keep blood pressure stable, cholesterol levels in check, and circulation flowing smoothly. For seniors, cardiovascular health is critical as arteries stiffen and the risk of heart issues rises with age. Avocados lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL, reducing inflammation in the arteries and supporting heart function. Potassium in avocados balances sodium levels, helping prevent high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Poor circulation can lead to cold hands and feet, slow wound healing, or even impaired brain function, but potassium-rich foods like avocados keep blood vessels flexible, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body. Research shows that adequate potassium intake lowers the risk of stroke and cardiovascular complications. Consider frank, a 75-year-old with high blood pressure. Despite medication, his doctor stressed lifestyle changes. Frank swapped processed snacks for avocado toast each morning. Within months, his blood pressure improved, his energy increased, and he felt better overall. This simple change had a profound impact. Avocados also reduce joint inflammation, improve skin elasticity, and support eye health. They're versatile. Mash them on toast, blend into smoothies, or add to salads. Make avocados a regular part of your diet to keep your heart strong and support long-term health. If you're finding this valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed Senior Wisdom, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us create content to inform and inspire you. Fruit number 3, pomegranates enhance blood flow and combat aging. Now, let's talk about pomegranates, revered for centuries as a symbol of longevity. These deep red fruits are loaded with polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. For seniors, good blood flow is essential for heart health, brain function, and joint mobility. Pomegranates' antioxidants relax blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow freely, reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Studies show that regular consumption of pomegranate juice or seeds improves artery function and circulation, crucial for aging well. Beyond heart health, pomegranates combat aging by neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress, which leads to wrinkles, joint pain, and chronic diseases. This means better skin elasticity, fewer aches, and a lower risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Take Dorothy, an 80-year-old who struggled with stiff joints and fatigue. She added fresh pomegranate juice to her morning routine and, over time, noticed improved mobility, less knee stiffness, and more energy. A simple dietary change made a big difference in her quality of life. Pomegranates also boost immunity with vitamin C, helping seniors fight infections. Eat the seeds, sprinkle them on yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. High quality, no sugar added pomegranate juice is a great alternative if fresh fruit isn't available. Consistency is key to reaping these anti-aging and heart health benefits. Fruit number 4, papayas aid digestion and strengthen immunity. Next is papaya, a tropical fruit that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful for longevity. Packed with enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants, papayas support digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and strengthen immunity. For seniors, a healthy gut is vital for comfort and overall well-being. As digestion slows with age, issues like bloating, constipation, or poor nutrient absorption can drain energy. Papayas contain papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins, easing digestion and reducing discomfort. As we age, the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently, but papayas rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folate help maximize nutrient uptake. A single serving provides over 100% of the daily recommended vitamin C, boosting immunity and helping seniors fight colds, flu, and other infections. A strong immune system is critical as it naturally weakens with age. Margaret, a 76-year-old, struggled with bloating and digestive issues. After trying various remedies, she began eating papaya after lunch daily. Within weeks, she noticed less bloating, better digestion, and more energy. This small change improved her quality of life significantly. Papaya's antioxidants, like beta-carotene and lycopene, reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Add papaya to smoothies, yogurt, or fruit salads for a delicious, gut-friendly boost. It's a natural digestive aid that supports long-term health. If you're still here, comment number 4 below to share your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more health tips. Your support keeps us going. Fruit number 5, apples reduce inflammation and stabilize blood sugar. Finally, we have apples. The saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" holds true. Apples are packed with fiber, polyphenols, and nutrients that reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and support heart health. Inflammation is a major driver of chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and cognitive decline, but apples' compounds fight this process, keeping the body resilient. Apples' pectin fiber slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, key concerns for seniors. This makes apples an ideal snack for steady energy without the crashes caused by sugary foods. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding gut bacteria to support digestion, immunity, and even mood. Henry, an 82-year-old, struggled with joint pain and stiffness. Instead of more medication, he started eating an apple daily. Within months, his inflammation dropped. Digestion improved, and energy increased, making daily activities easier. Apples' polyphenols also lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce oxidative stress, lowering the risk of stroke and heart disease. Apples are convenient, no prep needed, available year-round, and versatile. Eat them with peanut butter, add to salads, or enjoy as a snack. Their steady, lasting benefits make them a longevity superstar. We've explored 5 powerful fruits: blueberries, avocados, pomegranates, papayas, and apples that help seniors stay healthy, energetic, and independent. Each supports longevity in unique ways, from brain health to heart function, digestion, and immunity. The key isn't eating these fruits occasionally but making them a daily habit. Centenarians often rely on natural, nutrient-dense foods like these, not supplements or fad diets. Start small, swap processed snacks for fruit, add blueberries to breakfast, or enjoy an apple daily. Every change adds up, and the sooner you start, the better. Thank you for watching. Share one thing you learned in the comments and how you'll use it. Your thoughts motivate us. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next video.